Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. For the first time, Parrikar says he will give a thought to offer of BJP's national presidentship. Feels Advani's period in politics is over. A Prudent Media exclusive. Transport Minister threatens serious action against those who involved in strike. Says HSRP will go ahead, no need to rethink. Finally, Goa government recognizes talent of Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar, declares rupees 25 lakh for the success of Poltorso Moniz at Toronto International Film Festival. Muslim brothers celebrate Eid with a great religious fervor and brotherhood. Goan Special Olympics team returned with highest number of medals in roller skating nationals. And AIFF Technical Director Colin Toll advises State Football Association to give more importance to youth development, praises Goan FA. Now the news in detail. In an exclusive interview to Prudent, Manohar Parrikar for the first time has said that he will give a thought to the offer of BJP's national presidentship. He said that it is too premature to think about the offer. Parrikar, known as a close confidant of LK Advani, also said that Advani's time in politics is over and he should shift over his role as guardian of BJP rather than being in active politics. A Prudent Media exclusive.
Manohar Parrikar for the first time cleared air on the offer of national president's post of BJP and said that he is open for the offer and he has not closed his mind.
सो आज आम्ही अख्ख्या गोंयच्या जनतेक एक गजाल हांगा सांगपाक शकतात की फाल्यां यू आर ओपन फॉर द थॉट.
I never close the thought unless I consider it.
एक्झॅक्टली. सो आजपर्यंत अशी इम्प्रेशन जालें की नाच म्हणटात तुम्ही म्हणून. सो दॅट इज नॉट द परिस्थिती.
नाही ती कितें जबाबदारी आसतली, कितें आसतलें ह्या सगळ्या गजालीचो विचार केल्यानंतर निर्णय घेतलो.
सो यू आर ओपन फॉर द थॉट.
नाही, आय विल डेफिनेटली कन्सिडर एनीथिंग इफ इट इज हे म्हणजे ताजो विचार जालो जाल्यार योग्य तो
यू विल कन्सिडर इट.
ताजेर विचार करून मागीर निर्णय घेतलो वतलो.
Parrikar said that his idol in politics is LK Advani, but stressed that Advani's period in active politics is over and he should act as a guardian for the party.
60-70 वचूंक जाय.
अडवाणीक तुम्ही खंय प्लेस करतले?
म्हणजे आत्ता अडवाणीचे म्हज्या हिशोबान कितें म्हणटात ती इनिंग शेवटी बेस्ट प्लेयर सुद्दां आसलो. सचिन तेंडुलकर अजून पर्यंत बेस्ट खेळटा आनी तो जसो चड आतां एज जाली तशी ताजें खेळप आनी इल्लें इम्प्रूव जाल्लें आहा. हय, पण देर वील बी अ टायम म्हणजे लोणचें मॅच्युअर जाता म्हणटा आमी, वर्सां भितर मॅच्युअर जाता, पण 2 वर्सान तेच लोणचें घाल्यार तें मागीर ओवर मॅच्युअर जाल्लें खराबूय जाता.
बरोबर.
म्हाका दिसता अडवाणीचो हे पिरियड हे is more or less over. Maybe another couple of years he will be there. He should be guide, mentor.
So if you
his
consider
capability and his experience should be available to BJP.
Parrikar said that BJP needs young leadership and should have top level leadership within the age group of 40 to 60.
केंद्रीय स्तराच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी कोणाची कितें एक्शन घेतला हाजेर हांव कमेंट करचो ना, पण हांव एक गजाल सांगता व्हेरी क्लियरली. म्हाका अशें दिसता की येणाऱ्या काळान भारतीय जनता पक्षान 40 ते 60 ह्या ग्रुपाक प्राधान्य दिवंक जाय.
You can watch this full interview after this news bulletin. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Transport Minister Sudhin Thavikar on Monday in a loud and clear message said that government will continue implementing HSRP in the state. Thavikar appealed agitators to withdraw the strike or else face the consequences. In a shocking revelation, Thavikar said that the cabinet decision was not taken before finalizing the agreement with a private firm to install HSRP. All Goa Union against HSRP called on one-day Bandh on 25th September to protest against HSRP. Transport Minister Sudhin Thavikar said that they will continue implementing the HSRP in state and there cannot be any change of decision with this regard.
We can't stop it and nobody can stop this. Let us be very frank. Even if it is considered tender is cancelled, we have to take again new tender for this. आणि रुला प्रमाणे एका स्टेटीत एकूच येता, दुसरी कंपनी आमी हाडू शकना, कारण हो युनियन मिनिस्ट्रीचो रूल आसा.
Davlikar appealed to all Goa Union against HSRP to withdraw the one-day Goa Bandh and threatened them with strict action if they go ahead with the Bandh.
ताणी हो हे फाटी घेवचो, नाजाल्यार ताजें हें भोगचें पडटलें तांकां. कितें अशें दिसता म्हाका. सरकाराची भुमिका कडक आसतलीच, ह्या बद्दल दुमत ना.
Sudhin Davlikar also accused all Goa Union against HSRP of misguiding people of the state on HSRP issue.
सपोज तांचो रोग जर ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टराचेर आसा, तांणी सबंद स्टेटीक त्रास जावचो असो बंद करपाचो निर्णय कित्याक घेतला, हो एक प्रश्न आसा. तांकां सगळ्या लोकांक त्रास करपाचो आसा.
Davlikar, in a shocking revelation, said that the state cabinet was not consulted before finalizing the agreement with a private firm to install HSRP to the vehicles in the state. This first decision on implementation of HSRP was taken during the tenure of Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rani.
ह्या मुख्यमंत्र्याचे फाटल्या मुख्यमंत्र्याची सायन आसा. Any work which is more than 2.5 crores has to go to the work advisory board for each and every department file. ती वचूना. That is the कॅबिनेटा वचूना, ती कॅबिनेटाची मान्यता ना.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media. Finally, Goa government has recognized the talent of Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar. Goa government has declared ₹25 lakh to Shedgaonkar after the success of his movie Poltortso Manish at Toronto International Film Festival. Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar's movie Poltortso Manish was rejected by Goa government 2 years ago. Later, the movie was selected and produced by National Film Development Corporation. On Sunday, Poltortso Manish brought laurels to Konkani after it bagged the Critics Award at Toronto International Film Festival. On Monday, ESG's governing body congratulated the achievement of Shedgaonkar and his team for success of the movie. In October, government will felicitate Shedgaonkar for his achievement.
शेटगांवकाराच्या ज्या पिक्चराक टोरंटो फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक क्रिटिक्स अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळा, ताजें अभिनंदन एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवाच्या गव्हर्निंग कावन्सिलान केलां आनी स्पेशल अवॉर्ड ऑफ ₹25 lakhs we have decided to give him and to honor him here in these premises by holding a good function.
With less than 2 months remaining for IFFI, ESG is expected to take major decision with regards to cost and programming by 30th of September. On Monday, progress review meeting for the IFFI was held.
स्पॉन्सरशिप का अमाउंट तो हम डाइवर्ज नहीं करेंगे, दिस शुड नॉट बी एनीबडीज इंटरेस्ट. हमारी जो पूरे प्रयास हैं वो इस दिशा में है कि हम IFFI को सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग वेंचर बना पाएँ, IFFI को एंटरटेनमेंट सोसाइटी ऑफ गोवा को उस स्थिति में ले जाएं जहां उसको बाहर के फंड्स पर या अपने ही फंड्स पर जिंदा रखा जा सके. एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू रेज ऑल द मनी all by ourselves. This is an effort. I won't say whether we would succeed, but we are trying. We have made a beginning this year.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi for Prudent Media. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.